What guys it?
Is that? Yeah, this is. Well, this one's so close to the clean out. This is a push rod liner. So we don't have another strap coming off this end, so it's a bullet pretty much just to guide it. So.
Now, John was telling me that you only have to go about 4 feet in.
Yeah,
on this
the liner's only 4 feet in on this pipe, so it works to our advantage. It's close to the clean out, so we can just push rod it in. Normally we'd have to string a line through the sewer system to another access point.
Now, once you get this liner in, how do you inflate it and cure it?
With the air compressor. The air compressor airs it up and then kicks off its heat UV activated, and then has a chemical reaction as well. So once the two parts of epoxy are mixed, it kind of starts to activate on its own.
Yeah, John's right.
Hello?